Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 21 to 27, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see, Taurus. What is your energy for this week? You have the Ten of Pentacles, focusing on your family, giving what they need, providing for your family. Maaari ding merong pagsasalo-salo, no, sa inyo, sa family ninyo. Can be a reunion or you're going to rearrange things in your house. Redecoration. Meron ding akong nakikita na mag-acquire ng property, bagong bahay, ganyan. Your challenge, Five of Swords. Something is bothering you. Yung iba sa inyo na nakikinig sa mga opinion ng iba. Or yung comments ng iba sa inyo. Tapos naapektuhan kayo doon. So kung naapektuhan kayo negatively, huwag yun nang pansinin. Oo. This is your opportunity. Four of Cups. Yes, ito na nga You are given, parang meron binibigay sa'yo na bagong source of happiness. Pero, mas nagpe-pay attention kayo doon sa sinasabi ng iba tungkol sa inyo. Meron dito kasi yung nagtatry na i-please yung ibang tao. Ano bang bearing kung gusto kayo ng ibang tao? 'Di ba? Let's see. Kasi yung iba, gusto talaga. Maganda naman kasi na merong mga nag-a-appreciate sa'yo. Pero kung doon mo na lang i-base yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, dun, yun ang mahirap. Dapat, ikaw mismo, you know yourself. Your blessing, Four of Swords, yes, healing. You're going to heal from the past. You're going to focus on having a rest. Taking a rest. Pahinga. Pahinga muna. And you will have this opportunity to, go on vacation, experience new wonderful things. What is the Ten of Pentacles? Eight of Pentacles. Yes, you've been doing work. Sobrang trabaho. Overwork yung iba sa inyo. Kaya, of course, maraming pera, marami kayong kinikita, income. Pero minsan kasi you tend to be more competitive sa iba to the point na parang nakakalimutan mo na kailangan mo palang magpahinga. Okay lang naman yung competition, basta healthy competition. What is the Five of Swords? Queen of Cups, yes. Some of you, you tend to be so emotional when people try to parang make comments sa inyo or kukontrahin kayo sa mga ideas ninyo. Lagi niyo isipan na kanya-kanya tayo ng pananaw sa buhay. Hindi lahat yan mag-agree. Kung hindi sa'yo nag-agree, okay lang. Sa kanya yan Kung nag-agree sa'yo, appreciate mo. Ganun lang. Huwag kang apekto. What is the Four of Cups? The Lovers. Uy, may bagong commitment. Merong opportunity for you to, The Fool card. Taking a leap of faith. O meron kang hindi napapansin na pwede itong romantic connection, may opportunity for you to be in a relationship, may nagpapapansin. Pero yung iba, I think kung kung nagaling ka sa isang failed relationship, maaring at this point hindi ka masyado pang handa for a new commitment. Yeah, 9 of Wands. You're standing your ground. I'm sensing someone who is not really welcoming pagdating sa relationship. Mas marami na siya natutunan, mas wais pagdating sa relationship. So, yeah. Let's see what else. Taurus. Never-ending story. Okay. Meron mga bagay na paulit-ulit cycle sa buhay nyo na you need to let go of. It's not going to help you at all. Yes. Go the distance. Meron ka kailangang iwasan. Iwasan yung mga stressful situation, yung mga tao na alam nyo namang hindi nakakatulong sa pag-unlad ninyo, or yung mga situation na will just stress you out. Yung iba sa inyo rito, lalayo muna. Kasi yung paglayo nyo na yon, yung pag-iwas nyo na yon sa gulo, sa issue, yung pananahimik nyo, yun yung mas magbibigay sa inyo ng kapayapaan. At dun sa kapayapaan na yun, marirealize nyo kung ano yung pwede nyo pang gawin. Maaring may mga bagong ideas kayong may isip on how to improve your life, and also kung paano ka rin makakatulong sa iba. There might be a financial loss that you didn't see coming. You need to be prepared and have a contingency plan. This is not the time to take risks. So pagdating sa career, be careful daw. Mag-ingat. May financial loss. Ang financial loss naman, hindi naman yan porket sinabing, may financial loss ka, mawawala na lahat ng pera mo. Hindi ganun. Hindi lang sabihin yan, maaring merong kang ile-let go na pera or resources na hindi siya energetically babalik sa'yo. Losses yun, 'di ba? You have the 6 of Wands. The 4 of Cups. 2 beses yung 4 of Cups. Meron talaga kayong hindi nakikitang opportunity sa ngayon or hindi niyo pinapansin. 8 of Wands. Yes, there are messages coming through. I think this is an offer sa trabaho. And I think ito yung kasi pwedeng mawala sa'yo ang isang bagay na wala pa. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin nun, it's a potential opportunity na pinalagpas mo. Na baka pagsisihan mo lang, no? Na pinalagpas mo. Kasi I see you being offered with a lot of projects sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Pero yung attention mo kasi is nakabaling sa iba. So, might as well try to review what's going on around you sa career, sa business mo, kasi baka may nami-miss out ka. So, sa naman, love, may clarity o may kaliwanagan. Everything makes sense now. Okay. So, alam mo na. 8 of Cups. Someone walked away from a relationship. Kasi alam niya, hindi niya siya na-value. So, ngayon, ikaw mismo yung bibigay ng value sa sarili mo. Alam mo na, you deserve better. And even merong nag-o-offer ng romantic connection sa'yo, iniisip mo pa rin, what's in it for you? Or kung meron ka bang may offer din dun sa taong yon? You just wanna be fair, no? Gusto mo lang maging fair. You have Moon in Scorpio in the 8th house. You're beginning to know your power, your higher power. You also have Jupiter in Scorpio in the 8th house. Puro Scorpio 8th house to. This is a new beginning. Endings and new beginnings. That's what 8th house is. Like a rebirth. So, I think nakikita mo na ngayon or makikita mo ngayon yung opportunities na kung saan mas doon ka mag-grow. And anything na alam mong wala ng growth, stagnant na yung energy, you're going to walk away from that. It's like a realization. O, diba? Endings are inevitable. Merong endings, merong kailangan matapos para merong magsimula. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.